Well, good morning, my friend. Most welcome in my channel. We are coming back to start our new scientific update and with some scholarship updates in a different part of the world like USA, UK, Canada, Germany, Australia, even in India. If you really want to go for the scholarship positions, you definitely need to come daily update at 10 a.m. I'm giving this. Then we need to start scientific update what is going on in the science fields. One of the report is saying science is showing that they create proteins, artificial protein inside the lab. They have the capability, they have promising results showing functional vaccine formation. Some type of the disease we don't have the vaccines because some diseases like AIDS, just like the dengue, just like malaria, but we need to form proteins in the artificially that can be injected inside the body and they can induce the formation of the different type of the immunoglobulin molecule like the immunoshells. So this is the one of the basic themes the scientists have developed this type of proteins in the different part of the cell. Proteins are called as the topo-bilated proteins that can be recognized and that can be virtually construct inside the lab. Logo bricks together the same fibrostense. One of the most important theme is that how it works on the labs. It will be come in the coming times how it will be works. In the case this study you can find this paper and where you can show the result in this paper. Despite decade research illness and one of the example respiratory viruses from where I already told so many viruses where you cannot form the proteins, where you cannot form the vaccines against this type of disease. So such proteins have the capability to induce immunologically activation inside the body so they can fight this type of virus when they attack on the immune systems of the human cells. So this type of research is very good for the recent times and we need to be such research for the COVID-19 viruses also because it's more than 8 months there is no any vaccines. Now we are coming in the next news. In the bone marrow there is a type of cells that can form the different type of the cells like the blood vessels, like the blood platelets, RBC cells. So such type of the bone marrow stem cells have capability to form different type of cells. So you can regenerate these stem cells in the lab. So you need to be produce the bloods and all these cells inside the lab. So during the emergency times you need to be produce these cells inside the blood. So the cells is known as the MOF. These cells is really responsible for the formation of the different type of the bloods, blood cells, blood platelets. So you can require during the emergency time for the formation of this type of cells because sometimes you need to be bloods, RBC blood cells, platelets, but in the hospitals, emergency time not available. So how can you form this? This is a good research. Now we are coming in the next news. There is some cells present in the brains. They reduce the pain. When the pain happen, cells, how can they reduce the pains? You can call this the amygdala. This passes amygdala, the part of the brain that have the property to sense the pain and reduce the pain, expresses negative emotion controls. So there is a type of research is going on. If you control on these cells, there is a lot of things you can manage. When the such type of pain happen in your body cells, you can go during the emergency times. Sometimes you need to be control in the operation theater, maybe in the fighting, sometimes this problem happen in the body cells. So optogenetics is called how can you recognize these cells technology and activate deactivate some emotions of the body cells. So you can switch on, switch off if you regulate these things. This is good research also. Next, now we are coming in the corona cases. What is the position of India and other nations in the corona? Whole world is now reaching more than 75,97,000. Death rate is 4,23,000. Recovery case is 38,41,000. If you are going to take the risk, how much of death, how much taking the daily death is going, 10% is the whole world record, but it is different from the different countries. Now you can see that India is reaching in the 4th position. Very soon it will be racing with the USA because the peoples in India is not still understand what to do, what to not do. And in these cases, India is the new hotspot and already the 4 hotspot is coming. Like Pakistan's and Bangladesh, and maybe the next will be the Saudi Arabia. Maybe I don't know about that, but these are the 3 countries. Like Peru is the new hotspot will be coming in the coming times. So we need to understand. Now we are coming over the last section, scholarship section. So you can see the scholarships. 21 scholarships are here. These are the fully funded scholarship. If you really want to go abroad study in 2021, then definitely read all these sections one by one. You go in the Google and find which city or which country you really want to go. According to that country, these scholarships are there. If you are going Netherlands, Poland, Canada, Taiwan, Singapore, Sengwen, Switzerland, Korea, export, any country where you like, USA, UK, these are fully funded 100% scholarships. You need to first identify your college, you apply for this, and according to them you also apply in these scholarships after getting your offer letter. Because these are fully funded, you need to cover all these things. So thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel. If you are thinking it's good, you also share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.